to fold your 2024 Escape, the pedals, they fold in. So when they're out, you need to push this in and fold it like that. This is the stand that it's going to go on. I like to take off the seat because it makes it easier. I set the pedal here to start, take off the kickstand, and this is a safety. This has to be pushed up. See how that pushes up and pulls out. Then I'm going to move this back here. I hold the whatever that is, and here, and folds. And you see why I moved the pedal there is because then it's got the space. It comes together like this. And the handlebars have the same safety. You've got to push up, and it's two hands. You push up. Here, we'll get a closer look here. So we push up and pull out, and this folds down. And this is approximately 36 inches by 18 inches wide. And so then to fold it back up. And I practice this. This is why I look so graceful when I do it, because I've been doing it so much. Ba-boom! Done. Look at that.